After you fall asleep, then this is another journey at the night time. Even our body is just lay down on the bed, but our mind never sleeps. Again, our mind will be wandering in the kind of intermediate state, the dream. So even in the dream, then you will repeat all of your habit in your this life from many years ago or few months ago, or this maybe daytime, whatever you more thinking and more focus on. Then in the dream, you will also repeat this. This we call the dream. Dream is kind of form habitual. But a dream is quite difficult because most people, we cannot recognize dream is dream. Even though dream is just your mind, there's nobody else. Whatever you saw, whatever you hear, that is you in the dream. So, but this is a good example of the daytime. A dream, like a great yogi, Milarepa, this great yogi says, dream can show us the illusion. In the daytime, whatever we see, everything is illusion actually. Everything's emptiness. But we never trust it. We don't know it. Even Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, great Mahasiddhas, they always talk about it, but we never trust. We cannot trust because this is so solid. This looks so real. So we cannot believe because we believe everything is real and reality. But in the dream, it can show us even it looks real, but there's nothing. So dream is just a form of habitual. So this is just very similar from many lifetimes until now. We have so many habitual patterns. So this all habitual patterns becomes a kind of form of solid, very solid. So we have also attachment on it. So I mean, this kind of attachment, we call it ignorance, or Tibetan in Marikpa is ignorance. So from this, it creates lots of these negative emotions. Yeah, so from dream, we can also learn whatever we see in the daytime is all illusion, like a dream. We can check now, like a few months ago or many years ago, we can check our own story. Then you will know this all been gone like a dream. Now nobody is here now. In the past, every things, every people, situation, all gone like a dream. So this can show us very clear how is the illusion and emptiness, these things. Yes, then from everything we can get some kind of teaching of some kind of lesson from everything. From example, from this during pandemic time, this also bring lots of criticize. So from this we can also learn. As I said before, this suffering, this will introduce our happiness. If we don't feel suffering, we cannot recognize our happiness life. So we also have so many joyful time, so many happiness, but usually we can't recognize it. But now, this time, we can know more about it. We can know more about our life. Yes, then yes, for today,